Okay, we're going to make a kite with the kit that we have here. I've got some scissors and some masking tape and a few decorating supplies. This is my taco. It's a kite taco. It'll be all the supplies you need to make your kite fly. I'm going to take off the 2 paper clips. Who knows, maybe those will be handy for some other project. In here I've got a few stickers for decorating. And I've got some string wrapped around this. And I've got, oh, I accidentally put 2 packets of string in that one. Lots of choices. I've got a little bit of ribbon that's fun for decorating and for dangling. I've got a weight, which is some fabric that we've tied together. I put 3 strips in this, there'll be different colors in every one of them. I tied them together on the top, so this adds a little bit of weight to the bottom of your kite. It's okay if it's a little bit rascally here. I took some fabric, I snipped the end, and I ripped it up. That can be really great for fabric that's not stretchy. I also have a few sticks inside, and the whole thing is wrapped up in the paper that will be your kite. We've already folded it in half and in half each direction and cut it so that it makes a relatively nice kite shape. And the first thing I'm going to do is lay out my sticks. The stick's a little short, but that's okay. It'll still work great. And I'm going to take a little piece of masking tape before I do anything else and just make it so that these sticks are a little extra sturdy. Just so they don't come apart, so they're easy to work with later. After that, I'm going to decorate a bit. I like to decorate both sides of my kite. I'm going to make this I think it'll be even more beautiful if I add a couple of stickers. Always make sure you save 1 sticker for your own hand. Okay, my kite is beautiful on both sides. I have to pick which one's going to be the top and which one's going to be the bottom. I think I want to see this one while I'm flying my kite, and so I'm going to get ready for that. I've got my stick I already figured out. Seems like it likes to be that way, and it seems to fit pretty well. I'm going to be tying the string right on this part here, and I'm going to be weighting it down on the bottom. And once I make sure it's taped and ready to go, I can start flying my kite. So I'm going to get my string. I've got about this part here, I want to be able to dangle on the bottom to make a little extra weight. Cool part that a friend showed me is that the top of your kite, if it goes like this, it's going to be much better up in the sky and fly better than if it's flat. So how I'm going to do that is by taking a little bit of my string, or any other string, take whatever you want. If you have more ribbon, this is a great chance to use it. And I want to make it connect up with my stick on this side. And again, you might experiment. This might not be necessary for you. You can tie it onto your stick here, or you can, whatever works for you. But any adjustments you make to the shape of your kite or to where you put strings are really going to change the aerodynamics of your kite. So it's a good thing to experiment with and see what you need to do to make it stay up in the air and fly really high. I found it worked better if I tape that ribbon down. And then I go along the back. Oops. Get to the other side. And this one is a little bit shorter, so it's kind of having a harder time curving. But I think it'll still work pretty well. So I'm going to try this out in the skies in a minute, see if I did a good job. If your stick goes all the way to the end of your kite, it'll be more of a happy face shape. And if your kite has a little shorter sticks, then the paper will go over the edge more. Let's see what works. Your kite is your project. Okay,